Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn English grammar, the noun number. There are two types of numbers, singular numbers, plural numbers. Then what is meant by singular number? Singular number means the noun that indicates only one person or thing. It is said to be in the singular number. For example, table, chair, chalk, duster, man, boy, etc. Then plural number. What is meant by plural numbers? A noun that indicates more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural number. For example, tables, chairs, fans, cups, boys, men, etc. Now we will learn rules for forming the plural forms of nouns. What should we learn? We learn rules for forming the plural forms of nouns. Students, we already learned there are 5 types of nouns: common nouns, proper noun, abstract noun, material noun and common nouns. Listen students, proper nouns, material nouns and abstract nouns have no plural, numbers. Which? Proper noun, abstract noun and material nouns have no plural numbers. Only nouns have a plural numbers, only the common nouns. Common nouns have only a plural forms. Do you understand? Okay. Now, which are the rules for forming the plural form of numbers? First rule is by adding s. By adding s to the singular. By adding s to the singular. Like this: boy, boys. Boy, boys. Only s is adding. Okay. Then dog, dogs. Table, tables. Only s is adding in the end. Okay. Do you understand? By adding s to the singular. Which singular? Boy is singular form and boy is only s is adding. Then boy, boys. Singular form boy and plural form boys. Dog, singular form. Plural forms of dog, dogs. Only what is? Only s is adding to the singular. Then the second rule is by adding es. By adding es to the nouns ending in s, ss, sh, ch and x. By adding es to nouns ending in s, ss, sh, ch and x. For example, bus, buses. Bus, there is end only s. Bus, buses. Then class, ending with ss. Then class, classes. Then brush, ending with sh. Brush, brushes. Church, ending with ch. Church, churches. Box, ending with x. Box, boxes. Do you understand this? Okay. Then third rule is by adding es to nouns ending in o and having a consonant before it, ending with o and having a consonant. Like this: zero, ending with o, and consonant is r, means zeros. Yes. Hero, heroes. Potato, potatoes. Do you understand this? Okay. Then the next rule is, if the noun ends in the consonant Y, change the Y to IES to form the plurals. If the noun ends in the consonant Y, then like this, baby end with Y, So now we make babies. The plural form of baby is babies. Then IES, babies. Army end with Y. So the plural form of army is armies ending with IES. Ladies. Story end with Y. So stories. Then in the place of Y there is IES, stories. In the place of Y there is IES in the plural form. Stories. Family. In the place of Y we should write IES, means families. This is the fourth rule. If the noun ends in the consonant Y, change the Y to IES, okay, to make the plural forms. The next rule is, nouns ending in F or FE form their plurals by changing the F or FE to VES. If the noun is end with F or FE, then we should change the plural form by adding VES. For example, leaf, LEAF. Then F in the plural form we should write leaves. Leaf, leaves. Instead of F we write leaves, VES. Calf, calves. Then instead of F we should write calves. Selves. Thief, thieves. Then EF, thief, EF, thieves. Okay. Do you understand this rule? Okay. Then the next rule is some exceptional formation of plurals. Some exceptional. Exceptional means irregular. Not any rule. Like this, foot, feet. The spelling is foot, FOOT, but feet. Not, there is no S, not ES, not IES. Foot, feet. Exceptional formation. Like this. Tooth, teeth. Child, children. Man, men, and so on. Okay. Then another rule is nouns that do not change in the plurals. Some words, some common nouns do not change in plural forms. Like this, sheep. There is no plural forms of sheep, deer, hare, so on. Okay. Do you understand all these rules? Okay, students. Thank you.